It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude with Feel Free to Feel Free. We're gonna breathe our way through it. Breathe our way through the mental blocks. Breathe our way through the frustration. Breathe our way through the pain. Breathe our way through the irritation. Breathe our way through the hardness, the toughness. Breathe our way through the darkness. Breathe, being mindful of your inhales and exhales. Just reminding you to be present, be in the moment, not to be in those emotions that can bring up a lot of negative thinking and negative feeling. So we breathe, we come back to our best selves. We breathe, we come back to our highest thoughts. We breathe, we come back to our true selves. Breathing in and out. Helps you to release whatever your stress is holding on to. It helps you to reach towards whatever helps you to overcome, to move through, to get through. Whether it's mental, spiritual, physical, emotional, taking a breath helps you to get out that crisis place and get into whatever helps you. Take a breath. Relax yourself. Get what you need and keep it moving. As always, feel free to feel free, and namaste. Peace.